What's going on, guys? I'm back at it again. I got a little break today to work on my truck. Got a couple hours left. Um, I had my first week back at school from being off for like 2 semesters. I got two classes. I got a algebra, college algebra, and psychology. But right now I'm taking a little break. Go back again. I got school on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Um, but today I'm gonna attempt to install the valves and fittings on my air tank, tees, everything. Um, It took me a little while to get all the old ones off. I had a pain in the ass on one of them, and I'll show you what I was doing. All right. Yeah, I've been working on the tank. Got it all painted. Got all my valves set up. It's gonna be two per wheel. I got my T, and then two fittings, two male fittings to adapt because it only comes female, so you got to fit a male and a male to put the other valve on. Two per side. Four T's. This is a stubborn one I had. It was right here. Pain in the ass to get it off. I had to use my jigsaw, try to cut it, try not to go too deep without cutting the threads on the tank. Managed to get it off. Pain in the ass. But yeah, I got pretty much all my fittings ready to go. I'm just gonna need two more here. Go for the 3/8 to 1/2 inch for the bags. But I could get these two at Lowe's or Home Depot. The rest of these, I got these at Switch Suspension. They came out cheaper than going to like a air fitting place or anything like that. They have pretty good deals on switchsuspension.com. These, the T2 fittings adapters, the male to male. I got these on Amazon. It was definitely way cheaper getting these on Amazon than getting them at Lowe's. I had got two at Lowe's and they were like $5 each. I was like, I only got two. I was like, nah, it was like $10. But I was like, no. I looked on Amazon. I found a 5-pack. Came with a 5-pack of these for $10. These at Lowe's are like $7 to $8 each. I found these on Lowe's at Amazon for about $5 each. So, because I mean, all this stuff adds up. Freaking brass fittings are expensive as hell. So, do your research, search around. Best deal I found so far is on Amazon. And also I got this Permatex also on Amazon. The Permatex Thread Sealant. You got 24 hours to use this to put it on before it locks in place. It doesn't lock in place, but to help get a good seal. And then I went ahead and cleaned all my threads. I just used this little Dremel brush attachment. Put it on my drill, clean those, clean my valves. So that's where I'm at right now, and I'm gonna start to assemble all these, and I'll show you as I'm going. I can't show it right now. I have a tripod to set the camera up. I'm using my phone. It's just a lot easier to use my phone than to use my camera. Yeah, I don't have that much time to do editing on my camera and all that stuff, to download the computer, everything like that. So I just use my phone, quick little edit and upload. It's a lot quicker for me, a lot easier right now. So I'm gonna start doing all these, start setting these up, put some Teflon, start going at it, and then I'll show you the steps as I'm going. All right, this is where I'm at. I got the male to male, and I got the valve on. And when you're installing the valve, make sure you follow the arrow because you want it to come out, because this is gonna be our fill valve per each wheel. And I'm gonna go put the T's, and go from there. But right now I'm gonna install this tank on the bracket because it's gonna start getting front heavy with these valves, and then right now it's like almost just fell on me. So let me mount this to the truck frame, and then we'll go from there. All right, this is where I'm at. I got the T's installed, valves, and I got my push-in fittings already for the 3/8 airline. I ran into a snag. I thought I had enough male to males, but I don't. I only have one more, and I need 3 more to do the other valves. I guess I miscounted before. It's a lot of unions to freaking count. It's a lot. You need a lot of fittings for these things. It's annoying. But I just ordered the other ones I needed on Amazon. It should be here Wednesday. Today's Monday. I have 5 more coming. It's a 5-pack for $10, so I only need 3 more, but it's cheaper just to get them that way. So as of right now, I got all this already assembled. It sucks because you got 24 hours to mess with this, and it wasn't gonna be here till Wednesday. So I have to make sure when I do the other ones, I hold it tight. That way it doesn't move. It sucks because these T's, and I mean, they're all misaligned. I really want the valves facing down, so that's why all these are all not even. I want them all even, but just don't work out that way. But I already got all this push-in fittings already installed, ready to go, and because I'll have to wait for Wednesday to do the other valves, and then I'll be done with installing the valves, and I'll have to wire them up, solder new wires to them. They're all short, but go from there. I think next I'm going to see about installing the compressor brackets. Well, I'm probably gonna clean them up. I need to clean them up, see how far I can go with those, and I'll get back with you on the progress. All right, this is where I'm at. We mounted the frame mount bracket to the frame. Did a quick little weld on top, and on the inside I made it easy where I could still, if I have to remove them, I could easily cut them off. And right now we bolted the compressors on real quick just to see how they look. But this is where I'm gonna leave off for now. I still gotta wait for those fittings to come in so I can finish my valves, and then we'll go from there. So keep in touch, and I'll get back with you when I'm getting that video.